Can't stop, won't stop, get guap.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, how you doing? I am your girl A Danae, and I'm finally back with another video. Now, I have been moving and I'm in a new place, as you can see. Well, you don't know how my house looks, but right now this is a new apartment, so I'm coming to you live from, well, not live, but I'm coming to you from here. I don't have my camera room set up yet, but I wanted to do just a cute, short, fun little video. If you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, no, for real, hit it right now. Today's video is must-haves for your summer festival looks. So if you're anything like me, I go to a lot of music festivals. I've been to Made in America, been to Rolling Loud, been to what did we just come back from? Camp Flognaw. We went to Broccoli City this year, and then I plan on going to Greatest Day Ever in New York. So just a lot of pop-in festivals going on, so you got to make sure that you stay poppin' with your festival. So as you can see on my face right now, I have a little bit like a little baby beat going on, you know, just a little something. Now we know that I dabble in makeup and I'm getting a little better than I was, so shout out to everybody that's been helping me, or I've been picking up tips off YouTube from friends. And then also, yo, I have on the Maybelline Superstay foundation. Honey, full coverage is life, because I got a little scar on my cheek. I don't know how it got there. But it's there and you can't see it, so I'm happy about that. So to kick this video off, I'm gonna say, let me count my products. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna say 4, or no. Yeah, 4 must-have festival, 4 must-have festival staples. Like if you're trying to be bright and like, bright and just out there, and like your makeup, you want your makeup to match. Especially at them EDM festivals, their makeup be on point, like they be colorful, and just like I had the ears at the other festival, and I wish I would have like played my makeup up a bit more, but that's okay, many more to come. Also going to see Drake in Atlanta, so I got time. First of all, you need to get you okay, so my house making noises. First of all, you need to get you a poppin' eyeshadow palette. So in this case, I used one color from the Galaxy Chic palette. That's this one. You can see it. Yeah. It has a lot of different super bright colors that look great on pigmented skin, oranges, golds, light blues, things like that. So definitely number 1 is get you a poppin' palette. If you're not into palettes, you can get pigments. So I have a pigment on now. If you can see, let me look. Yeah, I'm looking crazy. On the bottom of my lid, I have the Shimmer Down pigment in the color, this is number 4 SDP, and it is this one. I know you probably can't see that. So it's Shimmer Down from NYX. Through this video, you'll see that I really love NYX products. So if you're not into eyeshadow palettes, get you a pigment. You can wet these and they change colors. I'll insert pictures from Broccoli City, because me and Ashley had on a pigment, and she had on like 2 pigments in one, and everything turned out really pretty, especially when you wet it. Third item, so I guess this is 5 festival must-have, 5 festival makeup must-haves. Boom, got it straight like that. The next one is a Colored Mascara. So this one is purple. Let me pull it back some. So this one is purple, and it's just like a no-name beauty supply store mascara. And I tried to use some today. You probably can't see it because it started drying out on me, because when am I wearing purple mascara? But it's like a super purple, and it's really pretty if you can get it to show, because a lot of it kind of dried, but it's like really purple. Just a really pretty color to accent your makeup. So number 3 is get you a colored mascara, if that's your thing. Some of this stuff may not be your thing, and that's cool, but yeah, I'm just giving you some suggestions. So my next suggestion would be, we all know I love NYX, and if you go to the right Target, you may find some of their duo chromatic products on clearance. I have 4, and it is these 4 here. If you can see that. It is the color. So 3 of these I got on clearance for $3.98, honey. I bought one full price, which is the one that's on my lips right now, and full price is only $8, and this is Cocktail Party, which is my absolute favorite. And let me just put it on my hand. So I really wanted to swatch it for you guys, but I can't because my lighting sucks. So this color is like a green gold. This is Cocktail Party, and I absolutely love it because I love golds. This one is more of a like pink silver, and it's called the New Normal. And then this one is like a blue, not, well, maybe it's more green. A green, like silvery gold, like, yeah, it's called Day Club, and it's like a green, green silver. But when you like wipe them on your lips, they kind of change colors, and it's real dope. And then the last one is Gypsy Dreams, and it's a purple. It's like a purple shade. So I think I bought all of them. I don't remember, but there are also some from Black Radiance that I got that kind of remind me of the MAC. They had like some shades that were like alien something. They have like a green red, like Christmas color, and then they have some really cute lip glosses. I don't think they're lipsticks, I think they're lip glosses. Really cute, like chromatic colors. So definitely check out MAC if you're looking for some. I love the NYX colors, the dual chromatic set. So I'll drop that link in the description box as well so you can see them. And the last thing is some glow. Like, get you some liquid glow. This is liquid glow. I got this in a set from Burlington. I don't really care for it, but you know, it's the summer of like the Fenty and all of the, I think MAC has like a mist glow. Yeah, glow on the hose. Get you something that's gonna have you popping, looking extra golden, shimmering, beautiful. Make that melanin radiate. So get you a glow. That's the last and final item, is to get you a glow. This one is liquid glow highlighter, and I don't really care for the shade too much because it like blends into my skin, but I'm definitely gonna get I've been thinking about getting the Rihanna one, not the puff, the actual bottle, but I'm still, you know, at a standstill. So this is the face that I came up with using my pigment and my Galaxy Chic palette. Just something simple. This was like really simple, and then I used the Fenty highlighter in Moscow Mule. So let me know what your festival staples are in the comment section. Again, I'm a festival junkie. I just started, like, for real putting on makeup to go to my festivals, because I'm like, yo, these girls be beat. So I'm not trying to, like, yo, I want to be popping too. Like, come on now, sis. We all want to be popping out here. Let's radiate together. But anyways, guys, let me know some of your favorites in the comment section. I am your girl, A. Danae. As as always, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because why not? Join the family. Anyways, toodles.